In China, the phrase 你好 is usually used when you want to sound polite and formal, like when you meet someone for the first time, or you're making self-introduction during an interview. 你 is like ni, 好 is like how, but to pronounce it like a native, making the tone right is the key. 你好 is 你好. To make it even more formal, you can say 您好. In some less formal occasions, like when you meet an old friend, you can just wave your hand and say hi, just like hi in English. Also, when you want to say hello to a group of people, you can say 你们好 or 大家好. Now you know how to say 你好 in Mandarin Chinese. Open your Rosetta Stone app and see if you sound just right.